Ever wondered about the safety of cheap products from China? Well, you're not alone. It's a question that has been on the minds of millions across the globe. With the sheer volume of goods pouring in from the East, it's no wonder that people are becoming increasingly concerned about the quality and safety of these products. Take a moment to look around you. Chances are you'll find more than a handful of items that bear the Made in China tag. From the toys your children play with, to the cosmetics you apply on your skin, to the household items you use every day, the reach of China's manufacturing industry is truly vast. Yet, as the prices of these products continue to plummet, one can't help but wonder, are we compromising on safety for the sake of affordability? There's a pressing need to address these concerns, to delve into the nitty-gritty of what's really going on behind the scenes. That's where the Temu Exposed study comes in. Unveiling the shocking truth behind the production of these cheap products, the exposé has sent shockwaves through the global consumer market. Let's dive deeper into this issue and see what the Temu Exposed study has revealed. The Temu Exposed has shed light on a disturbing reality. This investigation, conducted by a team of dedicated researchers, revealed some shocking truths about the quality and safety of cheap products from China. The researchers tested a variety of these goods, and their findings were nothing short of alarming. The products tested were found to contain carcinogens at levels that were 930 times over the limit. That's right, not 10, not 50, not even 100, but 930 times over the acceptable limit. This is a statistic that should give us all pause and cause us to question the safety of the products we consume and use every day. But what are carcinogens exactly? Simply put, carcinogens are substances that can cause cancer. They can be found in a variety of sources, from the food we eat to the air we breathe, and yes, even in the products we buy. Extended exposure to these harmful substances can increase our risk of developing cancer. Now let's think about the implications of this. These products, laden with dangerously high levels of carcinogens, are being sold and distributed globally. This is not just a local issue. This is a global consumer harm issue. Consumers worldwide are unknowingly bringing these harmful products into their homes, exposing themselves and their loved ones to potential health risks. This is the shocking truth that the Temu Exposed study has unveiled. This revelation is not just about cheap products from China. It's about the need for greater transparency, stricter regulations, and more rigorous testing of consumer goods. It's about the right of consumers to know what they are buying and the potential risks associated with their purchases. These findings raise serious questions about the safety of cheap products from China. This is a wake-up call for all of us, a call to action. We need to demand better for our health and for the health of future generations. So what does all this mean for you, the consumer? Let's rewind and revisit the crucial points we've addressed. We've uncovered the startling revelation that certain inexpensive products from China have been found to contain carcinogens at levels that are up to 930 times over the permitted limit. This has shed light on a significant global consumer harm issue, a matter that calls for immediate attention and action. It's clear that these products pose a substantial health risk. The carcinogens they contain could lead to severe health conditions, including cancer. This is not a matter to be taken lightly, and it underscores the urgent need for stricter regulations on imported goods, particularly those that are available at a lower price point. Moreover, it's not just about tightening regulations. It's equally important to raise consumer awareness about the potential dangers. We must promote better understanding and implore individuals to make informed decisions when purchasing these products. Remember, when it comes to your health, it's always better to be safe than sorry.